Welcome to Bhagyashree Industries. It is located in Bahadurpalli Industrial Estate, Hyderabad, Andhra Pradesh, established in the year 1995. With continuous focus on developing new technologies, we are trying to build a future sustainable for the planet and providing complete customized energy-efficient power solution around the world. With fully electrostatic protected area, we have complete EMS facilities including pick-and-place machine with speed of 18,000 components per hour. With screen printer and 7-zone reflow oven. With regular employee training, we emphasize to maintain quality of each product. Individual products having its own process flow line to manufacturing. Wave soldering machines are used to solder all through whole components PCB boards. We continuously check the quality at each step of manufacturing line. Each product passes through standard burn-in test and finally tested with automated programmable tester, and all test reports are computer generated. By maintaining standard packaging of each product, we ensure to avoid damage during transportation. Total in-house facilities are available, right from product design, prototyping, assembling and testing in an efficient way. Microcontroller-based pure sine wave inverter has been added in the product line. It has been designed and manufactured in-house, considering all national and international standards. The company is recognized as one of the most preferred customized power solution provider and constantly focused to maintain impeccable integrity and dignity to customer satisfaction. Our motto is to provide best quality, best price and best services to every time and every customer. The certificates like ISO 9001-2008, EMS 14001-2004, CE and UL certificates shows our commitment towards quality, safety and environment. Our R&D team are well experienced to design and develop customized embedded hardware and software products and give the shape to the products as per customer requirements. With strong marketing and business development team, we are continuously looking for growth of ourselves as well as our customers. The products are adapter, open module SMPS, closed module SMPS, home UPS, power supplies, LED drivers, LED dimmers, wireless EP-ABX racks and many more products. For more information, please log on to www.bhagyashreeindustries.com or contact us. We look for your continuous support to serve you. Thank you for your valuable time.